Good morning, Mickey. Right now we're making Lego, and then these are all our stuff to make. We have to find here. These are mixed pieces from other models. We put together, and then we're trying to make something out from it. If you really want to if you really want not to waste your other parts of the other parts from the Lego you've been doing, don't put it away, but instead keep it, and you can make other models out from it. Okay, so Mickey, don't forget, I miss you and I love you. Bye. Look, friend, this is what I made now. I'm almost finished with the top, but I'm missing the wheels, and then I still have missing the seats, and then, but it's almost done. See, I will show you later when it's finished. It's really nice, guys. You only need patience and perseverance to build this stuff, because here you have so much pieces you have to find too. The tiny pieces where it's really hard. It's really hard to find, because it's mixed. It's mixed from the other models. So all the models when it's here are mixed together, and then you don't know already if it's the pieces you're finding are still here or it's lost. Thank you, guys. Sana hindi nyo kalimutan magpindot dyan. Mickey Liza Manuel. Ay, ito na. Malapit na siyang matapos. Look. Very nice. Very nice, right? But I'm still doing this because the tire's not ready. I have to find more parts yet, okay? Thanks for bearing with me. This is the van. It's very nice. Look.
I don't like her, but I'm pretending I like her. So I'm gonna make her
It's all done. Look, it has her wheels. It has its wheels already. And then everything is now set up. Okay? Then that's it. Here, you check at the picture. This is what I made. Salamat sa lahat. Huwag niyong kalimutan, Mickey Liza Monreal. Pindutin niyo